Here we are on the Halmatic DS110. I've never seen one of these personally myself, and that is rather quite interesting. So I've just come through the companionway forwards, and we're in the nice little saloon area here. You can see all the headlinings are good, all the upholstery, all the wood. The interior is quite nice. Rumoured to have had quite a fit out some years ago. So you've got your galley area over there. In the photographs you'll see that there's a little cooker burners there at the top under there. And then you have your heads just to the starboard side. Nice big area. I'll spin you around. So I actually came down from that area there. You got a fridge here. You got a number of little fridges. On here you got your electrics panel there. I'm just going to spin you around again and take you forward to the forward cabin, which is really quite nice and cozy. Got a little TV in there that you can swing around to come into the saloon as well. And then I'm just going to spin you around looking that way so you can get a good idea of the layout. Really good headroom, as I'm sure you can imagine. There is holly and teak, as you'll see in the photographs, under the carpet. So I'm just going to take you up through the cockpit. Interesting seating. I did sit on it and it was very comfortable. So there's your helm position. Looking over the foredeck. Just spinning you around, you've got your navigator seat there. And then that is your cockpit area. Lovely nice cockpit tent. Got a little wet bar sink there with the fridge. Obviously engine access below my feet. And then we go down into a nice sized aft cabin, which I also really like. This window here, such a big window hatch that can open and let some nice fresh air in. So just taking you forwards into the aft cabin. Lots of storage. Nice big berth. Believe it or not, there's actually little heads under there. And then back out. I'll slip that onto there. Stop it coming forward. There we are. And then just looking out back into the cockpit again. Taking you up and over and forward.